Ready to unlock the world of coding? Today, we're diving into Learn Python 3 Programming Pro, an app aimed at aspiring developers. This app is designed to provide comprehensive study materials, tutorials, and even an in-app compiler to practice Python 3. Users often praise its structured approach, making complex concepts digestible for beginners and providing ample code examples. The ability to learn on the go and test code directly within the app is a significant advantage, helping reinforce understanding and build practical skills for web development, machine learning, and more. However, some users have reported issues with the in-app compiler freezing or not working consistently, which hinders the practical application of learned concepts. Others occasionally find certain information outdated or encounter bugs that affect the learning path, such as courses auto-completing prematurely. Despite these technical hiccups, many still find it a valuable foundational resource for starting their Python journey. What's your thought?